Okay, this is Kargo, an app that allows you to basically like an Uber for packages. So this is our login screen. As you can see, we log in with phone numbers, and so I'm just entering my personal one here, um, and it's hooked up to a Twilio account. Or it's hooked up to Twilio, and so as you'll see here, Twilio will send a confirmation code to your number, and then you type that in, and that's how we sign in to Kargo. Alright, so this is the home map. It shows packages. You can see I'm flipping between shipper and driver there. When you're a driver, it shows packages that you can pick up and then take to somewhere else or to somebody else. And when you're a shipper, it's the packages that you post that people can come pick up and take from you to somewhere else. Or, if you set it in another city, you can have them pick it up and bring it to you. This is the job detail page. It just gives you details about the jobs, the price, the location of pick up and drop off, the name of the shipper. It's another job detail page from I believe it was from the shipper perspective that I chose right there. You can cancel a job. If it's your job, you can obviously cancel it. You can edit it. The post screen there, you can just set like price, insurance coverage that Kargo covers in case there's something that happened, something goes wrong. Also, you can upload photos or photos of documents if you need it to cross the border, for instance, the Canadian-American border. This is our search screen where you can search, any city that you want to see if there's packages around in that area. We're based in Franklin, Tennessee, so I just use that. And as you can see, it's the same packages that I was showing you earlier. And of course, if you zoom in far enough, you'll see that I actually have two packages in there on the map. There's two boxes. And this is the post job screen, and you see we've got some info at the top there to let the user know exactly what they're getting to when they post something. It's publicly viewable until somebody accepts a job, in which case it gets taken off the public map. To create the job, you just create a title, pickup location, a drop-off location, and then you give it a date, and you can optionally choose insurance, as you'll see here in a second, and then you can also leave a description. So there's our insurance coverage. It starts off, at the top of the slider, that's your actual price for the package. I mean, it'll continue to adjust as you push it upwards. We've got our insurance coverage right there, which starts off at 0, but you can add more insurance coverage you want. And then, as I said, you can add photos and documents, as you see there, and then you can write in your description of what your package is. And you see right there on the home map, there it is. I posted it, and now it's there. It shows up on the map when I'm looking at it from a shipper perspective. All right, so this is our menu. If you go to My Shipments, you'll see under Active, I just posted the Apple test job, and you can see it there at the bottom. And we can go right into the detail page from there. Under My Shipments, you can also look at all the different kind of shipments. Like I have some that are pending, which means the driver's accepted but hasn't started, and then running. This one is actually being run by somebody who accepted it. In other words, they're actually presumably at this point would be driving the package. Obviously, for this test video, nobody's actually driving it, and then I could track them right here. And this is where background location usage happens. Once the person, in this case Nick Saul, is driving the package, his phone will be reporting significant location changes so that I can see that what route he's on and where my package is. This is our notifications screen. Works exactly as you expect. You get notifications and it just stays here about what's happened. You can see driver started your delivery, and that lets me know that okay, my birthday card delivery here is being being driven, and then at that point I can use it to track what's going on. Same thing with my deliveries page. These are the packages that I've picked up, or the jobs that I've picked up. It's the same idea. Running is the ones I'm actually driving. Pending are the ones I've accepted but aren't driving. And then the finished, of course, the ones that have been delivered. My routes is basically, this is where the user can sign up to get notifications for certain routes. So I can enter, as you can see there, a route from Franklin to Dothan, Alabama, Franklin, Tennessee to Dothan, Alabama, and any packages that are posted along that route, I'll get notifications for. This is the profile screen where the user can enter various information, but most importantly, the payment information and insurance information, so that they can be verified via Stripe in order to make and receive payments to the app.